Alright, let's do a quick Ray-Ban Meta check-in, where things stand now, what's coming in late 2025, and even a peek at Meta's plans all the way into 2027. No surprises here, just putting the pieces together, and while you're here, tap that subscribe button so you don't have to go digging for this stuff later, faster than cleaning fingerprints off your lenses. So, Meta's teaming up with EssilorLuxottica again for the third generation of Ray-Ban Meta glasses, aiming for second half of 2025. We're expecting two new styles: Aperol, a sunglasses style design, probably a fresh twist on the familiar Wayfarer or headliner vibe. Bellini, built for prescription lenses, meaning a better fit and everyday usability for glasses wearers. Feature-wise, these keep the focus on hands-free audio, camera, and AI rather than a display, but the AI itself is getting smarter. Real-time scene recognition, more natural "Hey Meta" voice responses, and the ability to run AI tasks longer without draining the battery too quickly. Cameras should see a bump in quality. There's a new 5 mic array for cleaner calls and audio capture, and battery life should be noticeably better. And here's the thing, Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses aren't just a passion project for Meta. Sales have actually more than tripled in the first half of 2025 compared to last year, bringing in nearly 951 million euros in free cash flow for EssilorLuxottica. That's huge. It's also a big reason why both companies are charging ahead with even bolder plans for the future. Now, running alongside that, we've got the Hypernova project penciled in for late 2025. These are a whole different beast because they'll include a small monocular display tucked into the bottom right corner of the right lens. It's not full-blown AR, but it does mean you'll see things like horizontally arranged app icons, notifications, maps, and photos. Basically a lightweight, always-on heads-up display. The interface will likely feel familiar if you've ever used a MetaQuest headset. Hypernova is also rumored to have a smartphone-level camera, plus a neural wristband for gesture-based controls, so you could swipe or click without touching the glasses. And under the hood, a custom Android-based OS to tie it all together. And here's the longer game. Meta's already working on Hypernova 2, targeted for 2027, which is expected to make the leap to binocular displays. That's when we start getting closer to a proper immersive AR experience rather than just a smart wearable with extra tricks. If you think about it, this roadmap means we're likely looking at a steady evolution, first making the glasses more practical and AI capable, then slowly adding visual AR layers without jumping straight into bulky headsets, basically a gentler on-ramp to full AR living. This is just the start of Meta's glasses journey. Stick around and subscribe for the updates. Peace.